Yo, we back with another video, man. Appreciate you fucking with the last one. If you did, if you haven't, tap in. Yeah, that's what we got going today, man. We got some Foxbody work. Finna do the field line on this bit. Hopefully this bit get running on this video. Y'all finna hear this motherfucker. This bit sound like got a cam in it. I'm telling you, this bit probably got like an E-series cam. But this bit chopping, like the chop is like, it switches up. Y'all finna see though. Yeah, now we finna roll this wood. Take the Foxbodies up. Man. Man. You don't see that. You don't see that too often. But you gonna see it here though. Yup. So we got working on today, bro. Red Foxbody. I put the motor in this bitch. Old pan gasket. Basically perfect with her motor type shit. A bunch of everybody who's driving that bitch, the bitch caught on fire. I'm finna show y'all where it caught on fire though. Yep. Y'all go ahead and tap that hoe. Look that bitch. Alright, man. This is what we'll be changing today. So whenever he starts his car, you hear like gas leak coming from the valve stem down here. This valve stem right here. It's like you just hear like a hissing, like tss. So basically the gasoline was spraying out until the headers while the car was hot. The whole thing caught on fire. Luckily, it was still able to save it though. But after we do fill line, we're gonna check all these wires. Cause some of them look burnt out. Some of them look burnt out. But yeah, we finna get into it though. Nice little Foxbody. Let me give y'all a little walk around. Yeah, nice little Foxbody. 91. I don't know, I think it's an 89 vert. Pretty sure it's an 89 vert. Let me just cover his tag. No, I'm playing. Yeah, it a bit wet though. But he got a little unpainted side on this thing. Let me show y'all the interior. It's a 5.0, 5-speed, gray cloth interior. But yeah, I did everything from headers, valve cover gasket, intake manifold gasket, secondary intake manifold gasket, all these holes, intake, all that. I think next he want to get a E-fan put on, so we might get rid of this soon. Throw the E-fan on there. But yeah, good 50. Good 5.0. Can't go wrong with a 5.0. Alright, man, I lied. We not working on a Foxbody today.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I'm finna close shop early. I gotta go down south and clean up, so shit, I might take you on the journey, I might not. We finna see. If I don't, we finna come right back to this scene, man. Yeah. Hey man, this is my pop's Lexus. You know, I put the airbags on for him. All that. Nah, I'm lying. He put it on himself.
Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
Look at this big clean. Clean little Lexus, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Back in the bit though. Yeah, so we had to shop, clean this bitch up. The last of it was left. Back up. What we came up on? Stop coming up on me, twin. It's too close, twin. Come on, we ain't even come up. It's probably ours to begin with, to be honest, more likely.
Our shit now. Off the G.
The rest was left. That's the shit. Gotta take all that metal shit. Get that shit in scrap. And we just got done cleaning. Roll this wood up. Y'all see this big look kind of clean. I'm gonna show y'all some more. I know y'all see the GA still back there. We went my boy to get tuned. It was really about to tow his car out of here probably like a couple days. Yeah. Yeah, you see everything on the left side cleared out. What we gotta go through is really just get all the metal shit. So take that shit to scrap. Everything on this side cleared out though. Sweep all this shit up. It is it. Let it head back home, call it a night. Next thing y'all probably see, I'll probably work on the Foxbody.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yo, fuck going. Good morning, y'all. We up. About to get to the Foxbody. Let me show you what we're replacing. What the part look like. Yeah, so shit, basically just fill lines. So I don't think y'all seen it earlier where it was really leaking out from, but basically it was leaking out from this. Like when I turn the ignition off, all you hear is like hissing out of this bitch, like. But yeah, so we finna get to it. I got to lift this bitch up. But yeah, y'all finna see this. I'm gonna try to get this bitch running so y'all can hear this motherfucker. So let me show you what's going on under this bitch. Yeah, so when we worked on it, we put a 410 gear diff in a bit, all aluminum drive shaft, and then he running the open, I guess you call this open header, no, not open header, open down pipe, I guess you call that bit. But yeah, basically today we'll be attacking one of these fill lines right here, which everyone got regulator on it. Alright, man, so basically for this job, since the fill line, you need a full fill line set. If you don't got this, it's cool. You really just need this one right here. A metal fill line remover. This is what you really need. I'm gonna show you how to use it a bit though. Ooh, that people flying. God damn. It's just like I spotted off type shit, but I'm gonna show y'all. So basically, this is a new one. I'm gonna show y'all. Inside of here, it's like this little ass thing. So it's this little ass thing in here, right? I don't know if you can see that. Fuck, it should stay still. So you get your tool, put it in there. And that little thing, once you push it down, it's gonna press down. It's like, you hear that? It pressed down. And then what you just saw was me getting a vice grip and turning it so it come off. Definitely. Press down on it, like this. Just spin it. Like that, it comes off. The old one right here. And we got the new one. man, as you seen, we just did the fill line on this bitch. Gonna start this bitch up in a minute. Make sure you don't do nothing weird, nothing, you know what I'm saying? Nothing stupid. But yeah, fill line's alright. Not too bad of a job. Slight. Yeah, man, we about to start this thing up. Had to cover up some wires because it was exposed. All these wires were exposed, but I was covering them with some electrical tape. What you looking at, father? What the fuck? Yeah, he got some. Yeah, man, y'all here. Let me know what y'all think. It probably got a, I think it's called an E303 cam. Shit, do y'all hear that shit chop? That's it. I'm glad. Go that shit to him. Heard that Foxbody chop.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I got something else for y'all now. I'm gonna give y'all details on this 335 later, but shit, it's the next one. Y'all finna see this shit.